我哋學校用多元文化為主題舉辦開放日，目的係希望讓小朋友認識唔同嘅文化背景，從而培養小朋友尊重、包容同埋欣賞多元文化嘅態度，促進和諧共融。我哋學校本身都有好多非華語嘅學生，可以豐富學習嘅氣氛，增強跨文化嘅溝通能力，為未來多元嘅社會做好準備。保良局喺2023-24學年落實推行幼小同文政策，優化資源運用，創造更加大嘅協同效應。今日我哋好開心邀請到同區3間保良局嘅小學，包括黃永樹小學、陸慶圖小學以及馮程小學，佢哋嚟到我哋學校擺放唔同嘅攤位活動。喺幼小同文嘅政策之下，我哋保良局幼稚園嘅學生可以享受充實而與眾不同嘅學習。我哋希望小朋友可以拓闊佢哋嘅視野，以及可以更加早認識小學嘅生活，讓佢哋可以為未來做最好嘅準備。
今日呢個活動咧，可以俾到小朋友可以認識啦，同埋可以了解到唔同國家嘅文化。喺呢間學校返學啦，佢哋每一日返學可能都會講好多嘅語言啦，即係英文啊、普通話或者廣東話，佢哋都會講嘅。老師啦，甚至校長啊、主任，佢哋都好支持同埋好鼓勵小朋友啦。咁啊，佢有一次返嚟同我講話：媽咪啊，我今日咧同一個講英文嘅小朋友咧一齊玩啊！其實咧，佢哋又可以同到唔同國家嘅小朋友交流咧，對佢哋嚟講咧係一個好開心同埋好好嘅體驗嚟嘅。
My daughter has been studying in this school from the last 3 years. As an expatriate family, we truly appreciate school's proactive efforts to foster collaboration with parents. For us, finding a right school for our daughter, we can get a good exposure to Chinese as well as English. This school provides a very nice bilingual medium of instruction, which is very hardly to get here in Hong Kong. On top of it, during our stint with this school, we have always seen that how the school promotes Indian events. The school provides ample opportunities to showcase Indian culture, which has always made us feel included, valued, loved, and respected.
Today's event reflects a lot of work which the school does in terms of promoting a multicultural, diverse environment. You can see we are actually dressed in our traditional attire, so that is itself a reflection of the importance which the school lays on promoting a diverse and at the same time inclusive setup. In the next room we had also a section where the Indian cultural festival of Diwali was promoted, so it was beautifully done. Along with all the other local traditions, including a lion dance and some fun events for the kids. As you can see, the face tattoo which our daughter has got. So I think it's a well-rounded, balanced perspective which the school brings to the table. And I think an open day today is just a reflection of the ongoing work which the school does. So thanks for having us over. It has been truly an honor.
喺好多一啲唔同嘅研究發現啦，其實小朋友咧可以同一時間學超過4個嘅唔同語言嘅。咁你試諗下，如果一個活動入邊，讓小朋友多啲去體會唔同嘅文化，令到佢哋咧個視覺會打開啲咧，其實係會更容易提升佢哋人際關係同埋社會發展嘅。咁所以如果你諗下今日嘅活動入邊，讓你小朋友可以多啲探索唔同嘅語言、唔同嘅文化，讓佢從中明白到唔係去走去咧學世界觀啊，係走出去觀世界。咁所以我覺得一個好好嘅活動嚟嘅。
今日咧呢個話題非常之好啊！點解咧？因為共融嘛。你睇我嘅膚色就知道黑黑地啦，所以我去好多唔同嘅國籍嘅小朋友一齊玩嘅時候特別開心。我更加發現到咧，今次咧嚟到幼稚園當中，最重要就係咧共融，其實咧唔單止咧淨係喺言語上面喎，遊戲啦，大家嘅關心啦同關懷咧都非常之重要㗎。同埋你要知道，小朋友其實咧互相咧一齊去玩一個遊戲，甚至互相去幫忙嘅時候，其實咧已經咧可以打好一個好嘅關係。之後大家咧再有發展或者再有進展嘅時候咧，可以彼此之間知道大家嘅文化。香港咧係一個國際大都會嚟㗎嘛，所以咧有好多唔同國籍、唔同文化嘅朋友嚟到當中。從小開始，我哋就可以認識得到喺邊度幼稚園咯。如果幼稚園咧就已經有呢個咁好嘅平台，可以令到咧我哋嘅小朋友認識更多咧唔同國家，甚至國際上面有更多唔同種族嘅朋友嘅時候，你話係咪非常之好呢？